Good morning. Welcome to the video discussion for January 6, 2014. It's currently 9 a.m. And right now I have what's called the National Weather Service Mesonet up, which is an excellent source for observations that update rapidly every 5 minutes or so. And what we're seeing right now is the Arctic cold front moving through the region. Now I want to show this map because it is so dynamic and it just really tells the story so well. Currently, right along the coast, we have temperatures in the mid to upper 50s. Some locations this morning got to the 60s. But you can see once those winds go to the west, like you're seeing over western New Jersey, temperatures crash rapidly through the 40s, into the 30s, and as you look over western Pennsylvania, into the 20s. Now, right now, we're seeing very heavy rainfall with strong wind gusts over 50 miles per hour in some locations as these showers and a few isolated thunderstorms drive through the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area this hour. You can see the update happening right now. Here it is. You can see those temperatures falling rapidly from the mid 50s into the upper 40s and mid 40s and 30s. And what we're going to be seeing over the next several hours is basically what's called a flash freeze, in which temperatures crash from the 50s to the 30s, and anything that's wet on the pavement is going to freeze, and that means it's going to be a large threat for black ice. I want to show you the mid-levels of the atmosphere here. This is at 850 millibars, and the reason why I want to show you this is that the cold front, the surface cold front, is racing ahead of the mid-level cold front, which is normal. And what this is illustrating is that the coldest air at the mid-levels is holding back over western Pennsylvania and central Pennsylvania. The reason why that's important is that there was a bit of a concern that as the rain moved through, it could change over to a period of brief, heavy, moderate snowfall. That does not seem like it's going to be a threat, as dry air will move in ahead of most of this rainfall. Can't rule out a few passing snow showers this afternoon, but there will be no accumulation of snowfall with this passing cold front over the next several hours. On the surface map, you can see again, here's our cold front moving through right through central New Jersey, and then the cold air invades with the freezing line already in central Pennsylvania marching to the east very quickly. And on the radar, you can see that heavy rainfall moving through the region. Very intense line of heavy rainfall currently moving through New York City. That's going to rapidly move through Long Island and Connecticut over the next several hours. And here you have some of your snow showers that are going to move through the region as we move on through this afternoon and evening. So it looks like that the worst of the heavy rainfall will be over by about 10, 11 a.m. And then after that, the temperatures just crash. You'll see a few snow showers, and then temperatures fall through the 40s, 30s, 20s, and eventually in the teens tonight as that Arctic air invades the region. Here's our latest infrared satellite picture, and you can see all this is cold air, not cloud cover. This is Arctic cold air. You could tell that because it's not moving at all. It's just kind of staying put. And that basically means that the surface is so cold that it's picking up on the infrared satellite picture, which is incredibly impressive for this type of air mass that is developing. And that's basically telling us that once this cold front moves through, the rain will end, and then we'll start to clear out. So look for clearing skies tonight, but it's also going to be brutally cold. So let's get to the forecast. So here's the European model, guys, from the Penn State EWOL website. And I want to show you, first of all, this evening, the cold front has gone through. We start to clear out. Becomes brutally cold. How cold? By tomorrow morning, temperatures will range from the single digits below zero over the interior to the single digits to lower teens along the coast. That is cold. Combine that with winds ranging anywhere from 10 to 20 miles per hour, at times 30 miles per hour. It's going to lead to wind chills tomorrow morning, 14 below zero. In the mid-teens below zero for wind chills. It's going to be brutally cold out there. And unfortunately for Tuesday, it's not going to get much better. Temperatures are not going to move all that much, basically from the single digits to mid-teens for highs, with equally brutal wind chills with single digits below zero in many locations. So if you don't have to go outside tomorrow, please stay indoors because you can get frostbite very quickly with this brutally cold Arctic air. The good news is that this Arctic air will not stick around for much longer. High pressure will start to shift over the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area on Wednesday, leading to scattered cloud cover. Temperatures are still cold, but nowhere near as brutal. Low temperatures in the single digits to lower teens, high temperatures in the lower to mid 20s. On Thursday, we'll see increasing clouds with a weak disturbance passing to the south Thursday night into Friday morning. Now, there's going to be a potential for some snow showers, perhaps a brief period of light snow. Not looking for anything significant. Best potential for snowfall will be over central and southern New Jersey, where those locations would be closest to a low pressure system, thus producing a brief period of light snow. Most locations will see nothing to a dusting, maybe an inch at most. It's not a major system whatsoever. As the pattern begins to shift, we start to move towards our January thaw. Temperatures on Thursday will range from the upper teens to lower 20s for lows, mid to upper 30s for highs. On Friday, that low pressure system exits off the coast. We'll have a few scattered snow showers and perhaps a period of light snow Friday morning. Then high pressure takes control. Temperatures rebound nicely into the upper 20s to lower 30s for lows, upper 30s to mid 40s for highs. A very nice jump by the time we get into Friday afternoon. And if you like warm weather, you're going to love this weekend. Now, there's going to be a threat for a few scattered showers with a warm front, but it's not going to be a washout in any way, shape, or form. Saturday, we'll have temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 30s for lows, lower to mid 50s for highs. Now, that's what you call a roller coaster. And then Sunday, even warmer. Low temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s, high temperatures in the lower to mid 50s. Can't rule out a few upper 50s over southwestern New Jersey. It is going to be absolutely beautiful out. And the thaw will continue on to early next week, but don't get too used to it because winter will be returning as our polar vortex starts to shift south once again. Well, that is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. You can follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and LinkedIn. Have a wonderful day, and please stay safe out there.